I've never seen him do this. Lemon is the one on top, and Marshmallow is the one on the bottom. He's never actually stood on top of him. Yes, they've had separate goals. It doesn't matter. These two just love to fight over their food. He's literally on top. Watch, Marshmallow, the white one's gonna go back to mess with Lemon, because he just loves to. Good. I don't know if the light is messing with him. There he goes. He's like, that's it, you're out. You've already had enough. You ate enough, get over. Then Lemon gets mad. She's like, I'm going in. I'm going in whether you want me to or not. They're so funny.